In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com for beginners with a free automation tutorial. We'll walk through a simple, beginner-friendly example so you can understand how Make works in a practical way. If you're brand new to automation, Make is a visual platform that lets you connect apps and create workflows without needing to code. On the free plan, you currently get 1,000 credits per month, access to the visual workflow builder, more than 3,000 app integrations, and there's no time limit, which makes it a great place to start. First, go to Make.com and create your free account. Once you're signed in, head to the dashboard and click Create a New Scenario. This opens the Scenario Builder, which is where you'll build your automation visually. Give the scenario a clear name, something like New Lead Email Notification, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, click the large plus button to add your first module. Search for Google Sheets, then choose Watch New Rows. This module will act as your trigger, meaning it's the event that starts the automation whenever a new row is added to your sheet. Now connect Google Sheets by clicking Add, then sign in to your Google account and approve the requested permissions. After that, choose the Google Drive file you want to monitor, select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet, and set the starting point for checking new rows. This tells Make where to begin watching for fresh data. Once that's done, click the plus sign after the Google Sheets module to add the next step. Search for Gmail and choose an action like Send an Email. Then create the Gmail connection by clicking Add, signing into your Google account, and granting the required permissions. In the Gmail module, you'll now map the information from the spreadsheet into the email. Mapping is simply how Make transfers data from one module to another. For example, you can place the email column into the To field, use New Lead Received as the subject, and build the body using values like a name and message pulled from the spreadsheet row. This is one of the most important concepts in Make, so take your time here and double check each field. To test everything, click Run once, then add a test row to your Google Sheet. Make should detect that new row and trigger the Gmail step automatically. Open Gmail to confirm the email was received, then go back to Make and review the scenario execution to make sure each module completed successfully. Finally, configure the schedule for how often Make should check for new data. On the free plan, the minimum interval is 15 minutes. Save the scenario, turn scheduling on, and your workflow will now run automatically. If you don't want to build from scratch in the future, you can also explore the templates section, where Make offers ready-made automations for thousands of use cases.